Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today I'll tell you about Scratch. What is Scratch? It is a coding tool where you use to imagine, discover, and have fun with different kinds of codes. It is a fun and educational tool created by MIT. This is the place where you make the code. It's the character box where you can find characters. Let's see. On here, this is the place where you code and learn and put codes together. Here is the code palette. And here, where you can bring a character and then use it, like this. And you can also read it. Next is the basic codes. First one is move 10 steps. When you use this code, you move 10 steps. And when the flag is clicked, that means it starts when the flag is clicked. Next is broadcasting block. We can use it to like talking. It acts like sending a signal. When we receive it, we run the code below. And you can also create new messages names so you don't get confused. So let's look at an example. Broadcast warning. So when it talks and then it gives the broadcast. It is like a signal, so it gives it, and when you receive that signal, it does a certain thing below. So it's like talking because it understands it with a signal. Repeat blocks or ever blocks. Repeat blocks repeat the code inside the box a set of number of times. Like if you repeat a certain amount of thing, for example, if you repeat moving 10 steps 5 times, then you move 50 times because it is multiplying, doing that 10 times. And forever blocks keep running the code inside the box forever until something stops it, like this. What is animation? A group of photos can be put together to make a video. Photos and videos, are they same or not? Photos are still images, while videos are moving images made of any photo. For example, let's look at maybe YouTube videos. If you see it, it is a video because it is moving using animation. But how does it work? Because when you stop the video, when you click a button, it stops. So when you stop it, it becomes an image, like this. When you stop it, it becomes an image. So videos are images put together, made. So they are the same. Let's look at the game I made with these codes used, such as repeat blocks and forever blocks, and broadcasting blocks, and move 10 steps and when the flag is clicked. Before we see what the game I chose, let's see how we use those things. First, this is the place where you do this. Let me show you other elements. First, let's see the costumes. You can design costumes using these tools, and there's a fitment mode and a vector mode. Those two are different because this one is using little tiny dots, and vector mode uses the normal pens that we know. You can use erasers, tools to write, circles, and squares. And there's also sound equipment where you put sounds and you can change it, and you can make it faster, slower, louder, softer, muted, faded, fade out, reverse it, and robot it. And here's also the backdrop choosing place, and here's the place where all the characters are set in. And these are the places that you can see. Now let's start. Here is all the elements that I did. These are the characters, and in each one there's each code for each things. Let's look at, for example, what code that I did. When left arrow key is pressed, you change by -10. And when right arrow key is pressed, change X by 10. So it moves. And for example, here I broadcast the message one. And when another character gets the message, then it knows the signal and comes into the thing that I told them to do under. But let's start the game. So this kid is late for school. Let's help her. She says, give my clothes for wear. There's a clothes, dinosaur t-shirt, and a pants. Okay, let's get the backpack ready. There's a pretty backpack, a pencil, and a notebook. Let's go, I guess. She's late. She was late and she got a punishment, so she is bad at us. This is the game I made using these stuff, and it is simple, but still it has a lot of different codes. It is really fun to make these codes. And what about you dive into the coding world and make your own amazing, wonderful game? Well, today I learned this. Thank you for Durep Academy. This is my third thing, and yesterday I made this game and I learned a lot. Well, thank you for listening. Have a great day.